Hi guys, welcome to the Afro Radio channel where we talk about everything cars, from car sales to car repairs to virtually everything cars, car maintenance. Just to we try to guide the community and let them know what they need to do if they're looking forward to buying a new car, if they want to know about car maintenance tips both for beginners and just basically everything cars. So today we'll be talking about how to know if the car you just got is stolen or if it's genuine. Now I mentioned in my previous videos that if you're looking forward to, if you're new to the UK, I would advise you use platforms like Facebook Market and Auto Trader to get a cheap car, or you could either walk into dealerships where they also sell cheap cars for as low as 1,500 to £2,000 and all that. So and then I got a lot of questions about Facebook Market and all that. I know there are a lot of scammers on Facebook Market, and how you would virtually know about most of them is, let me give you an instance. Now, if you see a good car, very beautiful, with the pictures, they posted the pictures on Facebook Market, a car like, say, a Ford Puma 2022, and then it's written £3,000 there. You check the mileage, you see that the mileage is really low, and it's £3,000. Deep down, you should know it's fake. It's not possible. You can't get that kind of car with that amount for that price, especially if there's nothing wrong with the engine. Everything with on the car is complete. If you check the description and then it tells you £3,000 for a car, you know definitely that it's virtually worth more than that amount. You just know it's scam. So what you could do is, once you've checked the price there, you see it's £3,000, do your research. With the mileage and all that, do your research to double check how much this car is actually worth. So you notice that the car is worth around £10,000 to £15,000. So just know that that could be scam. So nobody sells a very clean and good car for that amount. So, and then they might tell you to make payment before you come pick up the car, before you see the car. They will tell you how genuine they are. They even send you an email address to contact and all that. Just know it's scam. Just when they tell you contact this email address before, and then make payment before you come pick up the car, just know it's scam. So a genuine person would ask you to come see the car, have a look at the car. You could even test run the car and all that, have a feel of the car, and then discuss prices if it's negotiable, and then discuss price before you pick up the car. So that's one trick about Facebook Market. So once you've seen the car on Facebook and it's too cheap than what you actually know the car is worth, run away from it. And eventually, even if you decide to chat them up and then they send you an email to ask you to chat that email up and then try to get the price and all that, run away from it. It could be scam. Yeah. So the trick there on Facebook Market is, yes, I've got two cars. I got my first car on Facebook Market and the second car also on Facebook Market. So the trick there is, you see the car, chat with them, ask to see the car physically, and then they would invite you to come over and see the car. When you get there, you see the car, you run the plate number. That's also another trick. So you run the plate number on a government approved site or other sites. If you check online, you'll see the sites you could check. You could run the plate number just to double check the MOT history, to double check if the car is stolen and all that. So you could use sites as you could use this one called Carfax. So CARFAX, Carfax, or Auto Check. Once you type in the plate number there, it tells you everything about the car. It tells you about the MOT history, it tells you about the mileage, tells you if the car was stolen, or if it's if the car is genuine and all that. So that's you could also double check that with, ask your local police about the car details and all that. Just take the registration details to the police station and then ask them about the car. But that could be, it might just seem like a long stuff to do. So all you could just do is just check online, copy out the plate number. You'll see how many people have owned the car previously, the car history, MOT history, check what problems the car has, and then double check the price. That's what you could do, just to confirm that that car is not stolen. And then it's also the same thing with Auto Trader. So once you've seen the car you want to buy, that's the good thing about UK. You're always able to run the plate number on the government site or on this site I just mentioned now, which is Carfax and Auto Check. If you run it there, it will tell you everything about the car, tell you if it's stolen or if it's genuine, and tell you how many people have owned the car and the state of the car and all that, which is basically the MOT history. So do not fall for that scam. Do not fall for that scam. So once they tell you to make payments before coming to see the car, do not fall for it. Just do not fall for it. And then when they send you an email to tell you, contact this person is going to tell you more about the car. And when you do contact the person will tell you, make payments and will bring the car to you. Do not fall for it. do not fall for it. Yeah. So make sure you've seen the car. Make sure you have a look, a physical look at the car, and run the checks to verify. And also make sure that they provide you with the with the V5C document. That document shows who the registered keeper is, tells you if it's actually genuine and all that. So also ask for that document. Ask them for the V5C document. That's also going to help you. And you also double check if it's their name against the driver's license. When I wanted to sell my car, that's one of the first thing they checked. They asked for my license or an ID card, and it showed that my name is also the same name that appeared on the V5C document. So also request for it just to double check that they own the car. It's their name against the V5C document, just so you don't fall to their scams and all that. Why I'm saying this is because I made recommendations that you could get cheap cars on Facebook Market. There are very genuine dealers on Facebook, so just be very careful. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I will see you on the next video. Please like and also subscribe while we build this community. And like I said, please be very, very, very careful.